Kemuri is the device designed by Errecom to thoroughly purify vehicle AC systems, cockpits, and small interiors. Germs, bacteria, and mold are present everywhere in a car, and their danger can lead to allergies and diseases. To remove germs, mold, and bacteria, place Kemuri on the passenger side mat. Open the cap of the tank and insert Kiri, Errecom's purifying liquid. Close the cap and switch on Kemuri. Start the vehicle. Set the air conditioning to the lowest temperature and close doors and windows. When the green light on the remote control is on, start the first of the 3 purifying cycles by pressing the button until the lights are off. Wait for the green light before activating the next cycle. Repeat the procedure until the 3rd cycle is complete. Kemuri's dry smoke will diffuse through the air vents, removing germs, bacteria, and mold from both the air conditioning ducts and all surfaces inside the passenger compartment. Wait 30 minutes before getting in the vehicle. Kemuri, the professional, safe, and effective choice for deep purification of vehicles.